Hello dear student, welcome to the DAV Mall Public School Sitasavangi in the e-learning classes. I am your computer teacher, this is standard 5th. Our today's topic is more operation on writer. So let's start. Now introduction. Once upon a time there was a tech savvy girl, Alice. She was keen on learning the computer software writer. One day she was sitting with her laptop under the tree and a garden a garden in front of her house. She opened the program and started wondering about how to use it. Cool and lovely breeze was blowing. Soon she felt sleepy and leaned over the laptop and was almost asleep. She found herself in the writer land where she met a dwarf. She was curious to know what he was doing there. She went to him and asked, "Who are you?" He replied, "I am Mr. Align of Writerland, and I am used for text alignment. My role is to set the placement of text horizontally within the document." But did you know? The alignment refers to the horizontal position of text in the document relative to margin. Mr. Alignment then explained the alignment features to in writer allies. In writer, alignment option is found inside. So what are the steps for from the inside? The format menu, alignment, then go to the left, center, right, or justify. Or in another way, the format toolbar as a set of four icons: left, center, right, and justify. To use any of these options, you need to type the text and select it, and then click on the desired option. In the images, I will show you where the alignment options are shows. But do you know there are certain scripts which are written from right to left? Most common among them is Arabic script. The four ways in which you can align the text in our document. First one is the left alignment. This setting is often referred to as a left justify. It is the default setting when you create a new document. Left alignment text begins each line along the left margin of the document. Second is a right alignment. This setting is also called right justified, but is technically known as flush right. It aligns the beginning of each line of text along the right margin of the document. The third, center. As the name implies, the center text is placed in the center of each line. As you type, the text expands equally to the left and right, leaving the same margin on both sides. Center text is often used for writing document titles and headings. Now, fourth, justified text condition, left and right alignment text. When a block of text is justified, each line fills the entire space from the left to right, adjusting the space between the words and characters in each line so that the text files 100 it text fills 100% of the space. The result is a straight margin on each side of the page. Justified text is commonly used in newspaper and magazines. In the following image, I will show the left margin, center margin, right margin, and the fourth justify margin. Then Alai says, that sounds interesting, Mr. Align. I would also try to use these options. Mr. Align says, why don't you try this right now? Alice completed the activity within no time and no excited to learn about some more features of writer. Mr. Alignment then introduced her his close friend Mr. Bully. Mr. Alignment says, Mr. Bully, meet this bright little girl Alice. Then Mr. Bully says, hello Alice, welcome to the Writerland. Then Alice says, thanks Mr. Bully. Then Alice says, what do you do in the Writerland, Mr. Bully? Then Mr. Bully says, I am a very useful tool, Alice. I provide a clarity and I am an organized person. My work is to make a list of items using numbers and symbols. So in this way, in this video, we will learn about alignment, and we will meet with Mr. Bully and align. So in further part we will discuss in a next video. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.